Hello students, this is Vishwajit Podar, and today we are going to start with biomolecules. And before I start with our biomolecules chapter, I would like to let you be introduced with our planning, how we are going to proceed for biomolecules. That is a very important chapter for class 12th students as well as for NEET examination. But before I start, I would like to know about the state of preparation of your examination. I hope it must be going on well. Well, this is Vishwajit Podar. I'm a chemistry NEET faculty, and I have basically helped a lot of students clearing their NEET as well as JEE examination. Right now, I'm working with Altedme, and I hope you will get a lot of advantages from my experience and from the courses that we are prescribing for you. Well, in biomolecules, as I told you, it's a very important chapter. We are introducing biomolecules, how our life works. Biomolecules basically is, it comprises a lot of such materials like carbohydrates, proteins, nucleic acids, lipids, and such other things, vitamins. About all those things, how does it function, what are its structure, what are its impact on various kind of activities, that we will be talking in this biomolecule chapter. Before going ahead further, you should take a look at the syllabus that we have for biomolecules in NEET examination. We study about carbohydrates, their classification, aldoses, ketoses, monosaccharides. Among monosaccharides, we have glucose, fructose, D and L configuration, oligosaccharides. And among oligosaccharides, we have sucrose, lactose, maltose. Polysaccharides, we have starch, cellulose, glycogen. Importance of carbohydrate, we also see to it. We also discuss about proteins, the elementary idea of amino acids, peptide bond, polypeptide, proteins, primary structure, secondary structure, tertiary structure, and quaternary structure. Denaturation of proteins, enzymes, hormones. About hormones, we get elementary idea. We talk about vitamins, we talk about nucleic acid, DNA and RNA basically. This is the whole lot of syllabus, and this is very large a syllabus. Going ahead, the syllabus, what are our plans? We have divided the entire chapter into these sections: carbohydrate, classification of carbohydrate, monosaccharides, oligosaccharides, polysaccharides, preparation of glucose, structure of glucose, cyclic structure of glucose, structure of fructose, sucrose, maltose, lactose, polysaccharides. We talk about starch, cellulose, glycogens, amino acids, classification of amino acids, structure of proteins, fibrous and globular proteins, primary, secondary, tertiary, and quaternary structures, denaturation of proteins, enzymes, mechanism of enzyme action, vitamins, classification of vitamins, nucleic acids, chemical composition of nucleic acid, structure of nucleic acid, and biological functions of nucleic acid. This is the planning of our study for this biomolecule chapter. What are we basically we are emphasizing upon? First, we will be dealing with carbohydrate. Among carbohydrate, we talk about monosaccharides, oligosaccharides, and polysaccharides, as we can see. We will elaborate about mono, oligo, and polysaccharides in phases that you will see to it. Apart from carbohydrate, where we talk about all those structures and all those functioning of monosaccharides, oligosaccharides, and polysaccharides, we are also giving a special emphasis on proteins. Proteins are basically made up of amino acids. When amino acids combine through peptide linkage, they form proteins. So we basically talk about amino acids, various kinds of amino acids. Alpha amino acids, there are essential and non-essential amino acids. About that we will be discussing. We will be discussing about the protein structures, primary, secondary, tertiary, and quaternary structure of proteins. We will be discussing about all those things. Again, we come to various kinds of vitamins which are of vital importance. Vital amines are basically vitamins. Different kind of vitamins that we have is A, B, C, D, E, K. These are the types of vitamins generally we come across, and we will be placing special emphasis on vitamins. From this section, we get a lot of questions, and about which most of the students stumble. Again, coming to the nucleic acids, we have nucleic acids, and among nucleic acids, we talk about their structure. An average nucleic acid that comprises carbon sugar, a base, and a phosphate group. And we have deoxyribose nucleic acid, what we call as DNA. We have ribose nucleic acid, we call as RNA. So we talk about various kinds of DNA and RNA structure, the double helix structure of DNA and the structure of RNA. We are putting special emphasis onto these things. So that brings to an end to our introduction to all those things. So basically, you have to keep in mind that we are studying about carbohydrates, proteins, nucleic acid, vitamins, and all those things in biomolecules chapter, and about their structure and about their functioning. I hope you will be enjoying the entire session, because and you will be you will be with us with fullest of concentration, and will try to take maximum advantage of it. Thank you.